Welcome back to God and Country Garage. It's been a while since I made a video, but it's been a busy summer. Today we got a little bit of yard work to do. Not the same kind of video, kind of boring. No, it's actually going to be fun, but let's get to cleaning up this tree back here. First, we got the tree's way back, that way, yeah. Anyway, but first we got to feed the dinosaurs. Where are they? Oh, come get some. Come on, you big old rooster. Here they come. Dummy in there. Well, got most of this tree cut up that broke off last year. Well, cut down the limbs anyway. So, I'm gonna pull some crap out of here. Do we need the big tractor? It'd be funner, but no. So, we're gonna drag her out with the little cub cadet, and unfortunately couldn't find a clevis. So, you know what else works? Muffler clamp. Just throw you a strap on there, you know. Pull it kind of, pull it tight. And couldn't find a clevis, you know. How do you? That don't work. So I got an idea. Oh yeah, perfect. We just throw here. Now, this is tough to do with one hand, just so you. Okay. Yep. Oh, dropped a nut. It's all right though. We'll get her rolling here pretty quick. And yeah, perfect. That's why I always keep the old muffler clamps laying around. You never know when you're gonna need one. Oh. Yeah, about like that. Yeah. That's I think they recommend 3 threads, you know, when you're pulling branches. So let's try that. See how she works. Garden tractor. Well, that's all fine and dandy. Holy jeez. Listen to them bikes go. Gee, slow her down. Anyway, it's all fine and dandy. We got all the small stuff cut out of there, but what do you do now? Tell you what you do. You buy a 1-ton Cummins, you know, with a 6.7. We'll see if she's got any grunting power. I like the long beds, you know, crew cab long bed. Can't park it at Christmas time in the mall. It's okay. I got a reason not to go to the mall now. So we're gonna hook the old girl up and see if we can pull some of these out. I'm doubtful, but it's either gonna stay in the ground or it's gonna come out and go through the back window. I hope it takes out that big pipe, you know. I don't, but well, we'll figure it out. Right on that ball. See what we got. got the old little guy because, you know, it was rotten. Only had to fight with the strap for about 20 minutes to get it off. I think we gotta try one a little bigger. It don't look very big, this. I hope it's kind of rotten itself, but I mean, if you look at my hand, that's a pretty big piece of wood there. It's probably just gonna split it right in half, but that's okay, because we're gonna give her another go around, let all, you know, 1,060 foot-pounds or whatever this thing's rated at. This truck's pretty much stock, except for obviously the exhaust, and it's got a mild tune in it right now. I think he might have pulled it at one time or something, because if you look, got them big old traction bars on her. And he's got an intake on it, EGR delete. She's making a little bit of pony, but I think we try this one next, the big one in the middle. You know, put it to the test right away, see what we got. Oh, this whole thing is rotten. This will be no problem. Standard, that's why I snubbed it. You know, 6-speed manual in her, all for all the grunting ponies. Dang chickens all in the way in the backyard. All right, we got some of it out, but I want to get all of it out. So we're gonna look and maybe give her a little tug. Strap failure. Oh, I got most of it, but strap broke, and I got a little bit heavier strap with some hooks on it, so we'll rehook and try it again, I guess. There we go. bit of daylight left. I figured I'd throw some jeans on and try to cut some of this wood up for a little campfire tonight. So. Well, I got some more brush to drag out, and then we'll have us a fire. See, a little hard work and a little bit of Boy Scout skills. Nope, ain't got those, but I got a lot of waste oil, so that's what we got going on right now. We're having a campfire. Perfect night for it. It's damp out, so I ain't got to worry about spreading no fires. It's cool, so the fire feels good, and we're cleaning up the yard, you know. So it's a win-win. This is perfect. I got a little bit more brush here. Let me go over here. Maybe you can see it over here better. Yeah, I got a whole pile of brush to burn up yet, and it's ridiculous, but about 6 more months, or you know, so, and it'll be good. Well, there you go. How to remove a tree from your backyard with whatever you got laying around, the blue colorway, you know? Your lawnmower, a diesel truck, an old chainsaw, and some ingenuity with a campfire late at night. But it's too late for me, so I'm going to bed and I'm gonna take a shower. And I hope you all had fun watching this, and like and subscribe to God and Country Garage, and we're gonna have more fun in the future. See you guys. God bless.